Thought I'd tinker with this, changing the blades on James's lawnmower for him this morning. And I'll show you a couple things that safety precautions I take. These Harbor Freight lawnmower lifts work really good, but I always put a jack stand under here. I want to go a little higher. It's got a lock switch button right there, but I don't completely trust that. Oh, another thing you need to do is let the foot brake off on this thing when you're going up and down, because the distance changes from here to there while you're going up and down. Where is the foot pedal? See how that had tension on it from trying to go up? I'll put the brake back on before I go under. It's actually bringing the lawnmower closer to me as I raise it. There ain't nothing dragging the ground. I want to get under there and see what size socket fits that blade, and I don't want to have to get up and down 14 times. So I'll take the whole toolbox with me. I'm going to try. I got it on wheels here because it weighs a ton. As it comes down, that ought to catch it. Yeah, I can probably find my sockets without getting up, but they don't fall on me. Now why won't that open? That one opens. Right there. Level ground. Oh, I see what it is. I got the thing way overloaded. Find my impact gun. This old snap-on back gun, it's got a lot of miles on it, but it still works, even though the socket will fall off while you're using it. Find me a clean piece of cardboard to lay on, and I'm sure ain't got none around here. Alright, I'm going to get my big behind under there and go ahead and do these blades. Don't have any cardboard to lay on. We're going to get a piece somewhere out of a dumpster sometime and hide it in here just for such instances. I do not like laying on cement, so I got a piece of styrofoam here. Cost me a couple dollars, but I'm going to use it. Might be a little more comfortable. Y'all can get under there with me. Put the gun down there. Wouldn't it be neat if we could guess on the first batch what one to use? Now these are SAE. I might need a metric. I don't know. Let's just grab a handful of big sockets. I remember it was a big nut. The chances that I have the right one in my hand, not even 50-50. Let's go down there and see. I got practically everything there except the small ones. It might behoove me to put on my spectacles. All right, here we go. That one don't appear to be bent, but that one over there, it has took a whack. I probably should change them both. There could be some weight balance difference, but I think they're the same ones. Now, what socket do we need? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, 1 1/16. Too big. 13/16. Way too small. One inch. 1 inch is a little too big. It's going to be a 15/16 if it's an SAE. No, see here it's 7/8. Nope. Okay, 15/16 is a little sloppy, but it goes on there and we're going to use it. Oh, yeah. One thing about this impact gun, it weighs a ton. I imagine y'all are in the glare. Hold on, let me situate y'all where you can see better. Okay, I hope you can see that. Hope y'all are in the viewfinder. There's a star pattern on the bottom of that thing that has to get lined up. There, you gotta really turn it to get it lined up. It's situated, if you tighten it without fitting it up on a star pattern, first time you started cutting grass, it would get loose and fall off. We got one done, we just need to tighten it. The aggravating thing about my socket gun is the little notch that holds the socket on keeps coming off. Let's see, is that the right direction? Yeah. I guess that's tight enough. Let's go do the other one. I'll tell you what, laying on this styrofoam feels pretty dang comfortable. Did I bump the camera? I think I did. Here's your blade, James. They're not supposed to look the other direction like that. These don't feel quite as heavy as the ones you bought, so I replaced both blades. We can take a sledgehammer, possibly, and see how straight we can get this, or even heat it with a torch. So we won't throw it away right now. Us hoarders sometimes will recondition stuff. You might not want to use it right now on your brand new mower. 3 years from now, when it's about to fall apart, you won't care. I think James paid like 50 bucks for these blades at Home Depot. I bet you could have went to Tractor Supply and got it for a little less. But to conclude this video, let's let it down and go out there and take a little ride. Let's ride around the property on James's mower. You know, my little stool makes a better tool roller than it does a person sitter. So it makes it easier to move the box. Might have to go buy me a couple more of them things. My toolbox weighs a ton. Alright, jack stands out. There goes my socket just rolling down the road. I got another thing to do to his lawnmower. I'm going to put on a fuel shutoff valve. We're going to try to. That'll be a separate video. So we'll catch that at another time. Let's get on this thing as soon as I get the cover off. Well, you can watch me let it down. In no hurry. Thank you for tuning in and listening to my video today. There it is. Let's go.